process of creating a relaxing video begins with finding a suitable real location to use as the base. This can be a riverbank, a quiet street, an old town corner, a forest area, or a calm restaurant terrace. Once the location is selected, a clean photo or video of the scene is captured. The material is then prepared. Distracting elements are removed, and the overall appearance is adjusted to achieve a neutral and consistent foundation. After this, real vintage audio gear is recorded separately. Turntables, speakers, cassette decks, and other nostalgic devices intended for later integration into the scene. The recorded gear is added to the composition and positioned to fit naturally within the environment. Additional refinements are made to ensure the layout is stable and coherent. When the scene is organized, controlled animation is applied. Only subtle movements are introduced, limited to small environmental elements. Lighting, shadows, reflections, and exposure remain static to guarantee a seamless loop. Next, the placeholder record player is replaced with the real one using masking and compositing techniques. The integration is checked for accuracy, and inconsistencies are corrected. After the visual sequence is finalized, relaxing music is added and processed to achieve clean and balanced sound. The completed project is exported and uploaded to YouTube.